You could destroy an actor by calling destroy directly, or you could set a lifespan. Lifespan destroys an actor, but after a given time. And so why would you choose lifespan over just destroying? Here I've got two tests, a command for using destroy and a command for using set lifespan. All it does is use an actor iterator to find actors in a level and then set their lifespan. And I have 3 test actors in the level. So first let's try just destroying them. I go in here and do command.destroy or use destroy. They all disappear immediately. If I run pi again and I use lifespan instead, you can see that they slowly pop out, but not all at the same time. And that is because I've used this random range between 1 and 2 seconds for the lifespan. And basically the lifespan sets a timer, and when the timer is expired, it ends up destroying the actor. So why would you use lifespan? Well, if you're doing a large cleanup, and this is a network game, if you call destroy on all of them, then all of those destroys at the same time. But lifespan would allow it to kind of gracefully pop out. But also it might just look better if things don't all pop out at once and they start popping out individually. And say there's no hard rule on when that should be. You can use a lifespan to make them all kind of fade out rather than all plopping out at once. And so that's why you might use lifespan over destroy. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and until next time.